Hello everyone, welcome back for new video, that is second standard EVS lesson number 7. We need a house. After studying this lesson, you recognize the need for a house and understand the need for living together. Understand the different portions of a house. Recognize the different types of waste or garbage products at home and know the correct way of disposing them. Identify the situation around the house using word phrases like behind, in front of, left and right. Answer: where do you live? We live in a house. Name the members of your family: father, mother, brother, sister, grandparents, etc. Do you have any domestic animals in your house? If you have, you can write S. If you don't have, you can write no here. So if you have S, you can write dog, cat, rabbit, etc. Where do they live? They live in their houses like a small cage, shed, etc. We need a house to live. Animals also need a house to live. So here match the animals with their dwelling places by drawing lines. Dwelling places means their houses where they are living. These are the pictures of the animals. These are the places where they are living. Already I matched with the lines with the animals and their houses. You can look at there where they are living. We all need a house to protect ourselves from cold, wind, rain and the sun. Why do we need house? Means we need protect ourselves from the cold, wind, rain and the sun. So you can look at the picture and answer these questions seeing the above picture. Who are the person living in the house given in the above picture? You can look at here who and all living here. Father, mother, grandparents, children and a dog. What are they doing? They are all doing different activities. What work do you do at home? In your home, what and all work you are doing? Cleaning house, watering plants, etc. Mention the different types of work done by different members of your house. In your house, what are work you are doing, you have to write. Father is helping for cleaning the mother, or mother is cooking the food, you are sweeping the houses, like that. So whatever work you are doing in your house, you can write it here. Usually the members of a family live together in a house. Every member of the family shares the work at home. Member of the family help each other. There is a happiness in living together. You can look at the picture here. The person watering the plants, grandma is combing the hair, grandpa is sitting, the children are giving the food for the dog, mother is plucking the flower from the plants. So here is the picture of a house. Write the names of the portion of the house that you know in the space provided. You can see this house picture. In your house, what are the portions you have? Drawing room, hall, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, like that. You can write their names here, space provided. Whatever portion you have in your houses. Answer: how many doors does your house have? 6. So how many doors in your house is there? You can write. This is just for our example purpose. I have written here. You can see your house and write their number and answer for that. How many windows does your house have? 5. Name the different parts of your house: puja room, garden, drawing room, kitchen, bedroom, sit out, like that. Here is a picture story. The had given the picture. You have to read out using that picture. Arun got up in the morning and went to the bathroom to wash his hands, legs and face. Later, mother called him to the kitchen and gave him milk to drink. In the kitchen, father was assisted to mother in cooking. In the living room, Arun's mother was watching the television. His sister was reading in the reading room. Grandmother was sleeping in the bedroom. Write the answer in the box given. Where do you sit for studies in your house? Reading room. In which room of the house do you sleep? Bedroom. In which room do you have food in your house? Dining hall. What do you call the room where you sit and chat with your family members in your house? Hall. Where do you wash your hands, legs and face? Bathroom. There will be separate rooms in some houses. Some houses will have a big hall. The different rooms are used for different work. There is a Peter's house. Peter is standing at the door. What is there in front of, behind, left and right of Peter's house? Identify and write them in the space provided. Here Peter is standing in front of his house, and you have to look around his house and answer for this the given question. There is a road in front of the house. There is a playground on the left side of the house. There is a mountain behind the house, and there is a house on the right side of the house. Observe around your house. Write the answer in the space provided below. In your house, you look at and answer for that. This is for example purpose have written here. There is a park in front of the house. There is a site on the left side of the house. There is a house behind your house. There is a house on the right side of the house. This is a Rama and Ravi's house. Identify the waste. Put the peels of vegetables, fruits, flowers, leaves and greens into a dustbin. Put all the dry waste like a paper, pieces, plastic, chocolate cover, etc. into another dustbin. Answer. Where is Rama putting the vegetable waste? She is putting into a dustbin. Where is Ravi putting plastic and paper waste? He is putting into another dustbin. Name the waste you find in your house. Kitchen waste, plastic, papers, etc. Where do you do with the waste in your house? We put it into the dustbin. Do this. Put all the peels of fresh vegetables and fruits into a dustbin. Prepare the manure and put it to the plants. Keep your house neat and clean. Don't throw the waste on the street. Give waste every day to the person who collects it. Here is a picture of a house. If you want to live in the house, what changes will you make? Write the changes in the space given below. This is the house they are given. If you want to live in this house, what are the modification you will do and what are the repair work you will do for this house? You have to write it here. First we will repair the walls because it has a broken. You have to repair that. Repair the compound gates. See, walls and all broken. You have to repair it. And gate, you have to compound gate. You have to repair it. Painted with a new colors and repair the doors and windows. Like that, whatever repair work you want to do, you have to write it here. Join the dots and color it with the color of your choice. This is your activity. You have to join this and you will get the shape of a house, and which color you like, you fill it here. Prepare a house using the mud, thermocol, cardboard, etc. Show different rooms of a house. So this is also activity for yourself. Sing and enjoy. Om sweet om, where color flowers bloom. Om sweet om, beautiful and cool is my home. Wonderful and clean too. Om sweet om. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again.